Hey guys, we stay in front of 7669 Caponata Blvd. Beautiful listing, and I'm sure you saw already a lot of things here, but this is a really good house. It's a 2-story with elevator, a lot of upgrades. Let's go over, let's see. Okay, so let's see. This is the entrance door. It's a split level house, so this door it's a swing door, but has one of those metal protections, very unique. You cannot really poke with the knife. It's really secure, right? Let's get inside. So like I said, this is a split level house on the first floor. On the ground level, let's put it this, we have this beautiful, a lot of rooms. Here's the garage. Let's turn the garage lights on. Huge garage with extra shop and central vacuum. Guys, this is central vacuum. Can you believe this? Very unique feature. This is hydraulic system for the elevator and water softener. Let's go next. Where are we going? Okay, like I said, this is one of the bedrooms downstairs. This is laundry room. By the way, this house has 2 hookups for the laundry room on the first floor here and the second floor. Let's go. What's next? This is a full living room. This is not a living room. This is a family room with a wet bar and guest bedroom. Okay, let's go. This is a guest bedroom. Beautiful, isn't it? It is beautiful. Here you go. And this is the bathroom. This house has 2.5 bathrooms. Beautiful patio. Beautiful view. All right, let's go next. Okay. Okay. Let's go upstairs. Again, we're here next to the entrance and going up here. This is beautiful dining room, kitchen. Guys, I believe you already saw kitchen. Here, let me turn on the lights. Huh? How do you like it? Good? Yeah, very unique. Has breakfast area, has entrance to the balcony. Let's go to the balcony and
second floor sliding door open.
Yeah, look at this. Beautiful view here. Okay, well, let's continue. This is half a bathroom. Where are the lights here? Okay. So this is half bath. This is another utility closet with a hookup to washer and dryer. So if you want to have another laundry here, you can install. This is another bedroom which can be used. Right now it's useless, but this is another bedroom here. And this is master bedroom. Master bedroom is beautiful, has huge, beautiful closet. Okay. It is beautiful. This is master bathroom here. All right, guys, so let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. It's beautiful here. This house wouldn't be long in the market. You need to call me if you have real interest, because this is very unique property, and once they're gone, they're gone. They're not coming up on market so often because of the uniqueness. And one of the things, hey, elevator, here you go. So full elevator. Yes, here you go. All right, guys. See you. Have a good one. Call me 727-492-6291. This is Feler with Future Home Realty. Talk to you later. Bye.